Hey, what's up, guys? This is Shiva, and welcome to my another Clickbank training video. In this video, guys, I will show you how I made $100 in a day on Clickbank using free traffic method. So, if you are new on this channel and you don't know what is the channel is about, so I want to tell you, and I am an affiliate marketer. In this channel, I share my experience, my journey, how I am making money on Clickbank, how I am making money online as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to know about how to make money online, how to make money on Clickbank, so you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because I am coming with new strategies to make money online on daily basis. And today I will show you the same strategy that I have used to make $100 in a day on Clickbank using free traffic method. So my name is Shiva, guys, and I am from India. And I have tried so many things. First of all, I worked in a call center. Then I worked as a marketer, and then I work as a telephonic sales officer. And in this field, in telephonic sales field, I have tried so many things to make sales, but I'm not performing well. That's why I got fired from my job and I lost my job. Then I joined uh, I joined another company, but unfortunately I have to quit that job. And then I decided to build my online business, and I am trying from last 8 months to make money online. And I have tried so many things, guys: copywriting, freelance copywriter, and Amazon affiliates, and so many things, guys. And right now I'm making good amount of money as an affiliate marketer. So today I will show you the same strategy. So let's dive into it. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to, the first step is create Clickbank account. So just go to clickbank.com. Let me show you clickbank.com. Then click on create account. And after clicking on create account, you have to fill a form, a sign up form. In this form, you have to fill your basic information like name, first name, last name, email address, your your residence address. So my internet is so slow, so sorry for that, guys. And postal codes, city, phone number, email address, and then click on next step. Then you have to fill your banking information, so so that you can receive your commission in your bank account. And then click on account information, and then you will receive a email confirmation email. You have to confirm your email account, then your account will be open. Then you just have to log in into your account. So just click on login. So enter your account nickname, your username, and your password, and then click on login. So then the second step, guys, choose a product. So you can see yesterday I have made $145.50, and on 6th of June I made $95.58, and on 5th of June I made 100 $108.51. So you can see last week I made $70, and then in current week I made $349. So all this commission I made using free traffic method. So before, let's the next step is choose a product. So go to marketplace. So there are so many categories available. You can see art and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting system, business, investment, computer, e-business, e-marketing. So there are currently three most popular niche available. First is health, second is wealth, and third is relationship. So, but I'm promoting, guys, spirituality. So if you are promoting weight loss niche and you are promoting make money online niche, so you can use the same strategy to make your commission on Clickbank. So I am promoting spirituality niche. So you can see I am promoting manifestation niche. So you can see its gravity is 173. So it's mean so many affiliates are promoting this offer and making good amount of money. So you can see my initial sales is my hope counts 1463, and initial sales is $261.59, and its upsell is $223.05. So what you have to do, you have to just click on promote, and then enter your nickname and click on generate hop link. So you just have to copy your affiliate link, and you get your affiliate link. Then you have to shorten your link, because you cannot directly place your affiliate link on Facebook and any other social media platform. So you just have to shorten your link and then copy. So you can use bit.ly.com and tiny URL and Google shortener. There are so many options available to shorten your link. So it does not matter. So after shorten your link, go to facebook.com. I know you are using Facebook. So we will use Facebook to make our first $100 on Clickbank. So what you have to do, if you are promoting weight loss product, guys, so just enter here weight loss and click on groups. So what you have to do, you have to join all these groups, right? You have to join all these groups, and I'm showing you example of manifestation magic. So this is the law of attraction related offer. So click on search by law of attraction, and you have to join all these groups. But if you are just open your account, just open your Facebook account, so do not join above 10 groups in one day. You can join maximum, you have to join maximum 10 groups in a day. If you join so many groups in only single day, then Facebook will block you. So first day join 10 groups, and after next day you can also join 10 groups. So you have to join minimum 40 to 50 groups, and after joining 40 to 50 groups you have to post content related to law of attraction. So you can see, so you can see that this kind of post: magic money band manifest case in 24 hours. So this is the same offer, guys. Manifestation magic. So you can post this kind of post. So in your first week after joining these groups, in your first week, post only content. Post this kind of post, provide some value, and do not try to promote your promote your offer in a starting basis. First 3 to 4 days, provide some values, and then you can promote your offer. So you can see he is promoting the same manifestation magic offer. So you can see, you can post like let me tell you, hey guys, I just I just let me, hey guys, I have manifested 100 hundreds of dollar using new technique. If you if you are interested, comment below. Me, I will send you instant access. So you can post this kind of content, and then if someone comment in your on your post, so you can just message them like I'm doing, so you can see. kind of post. Hi dear boss, this life changing presentation. So you can see this is my affiliate link. So if 10 people comment on your post, and you can send them also friend request, you can build a relationship with them, right? And if they then they trust you, so they can eat. If you suggest them to buy this product, to check out this offer, so they can easily buy your product and you will get your commission. So let me show you. So all these messages I have sent, so you can see someone is sending me their affiliate offer and I am sending them their affiliate offer. If someone is interested in your offer and they will buy, you will get your commission. So you can see this, he is promoting manifestation magic. So you can also promote your offer in comment section, but this is guys spam. So do not try this kind of promoting. Just provide some value in your first week, then post any kind of a message that I have shown you. And if someone is interested, they will comment and you can send them instant access. And if they buy, you will get your commission. So this is the strategy, guys, I have used to make money on Clickbank. So I have shown you my earning. So you can see, guys, this is real. And let me refresh. You can also see that this is still loading. So let me refresh so you can see this is the real. So that's it, guys, in today's video. I hope you get value from this. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. And I'm from India, so my English is not so good. So I have tried my best to explain all the process. And sorry for that. And if you want to know more about how to make money online, how to make money on Clickbank, you can comment section. And that's it in today's video. And subscribe my channel. And I will share. I will show you the same strategy, and I will go through my journey of Clickbank. How I am starting, how I am making my commission on Clickbank. All these things I will show you step by step. So just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.